I want to explore different roles I need to run my business. I'm going to use the multi-role model of Neurographica. Be curious. I start to activate the topic by writing down words in 2 minutes. You can choose any topic that is relevant to you at this moment and in which you want to explore your relevant roles at the moment. With a multi-role model, we can explore up to 8 different roles. We find them by activating our topic in 2 minutes and thinking about which roles are at this moment connected to our request, and we will write them down on a scheme where we put placeholders for each of our roles, as you can see in the video. And in the next step, we define the sizes of the roles according to our needs and wishes. So we can either make some roles smaller, which are not very needed in that request, or we can make them bigger. We can also find sub-roles, which you can see in one of my roles. This is a role of a student and I have lots to learn, and I had even 4 sub-roles over there and one more sub-role for the unknown. In this drawing was that a new role, a very prominent role, appeared in the space between 2 roles. Like this is this pink colored shape circle, which I'm at this moment emphasizing on, which is the role of a creator, which is part of being an artist and also part of creating income, because I'm working on my topic, my business. And this role was unexpectedly appearing, and it feels so important to me. This is one of the very big bases of my business, is creating, being creative, being in a state of being able to create. And that's why I emphasized that role as my fixing shape in this drawing. As usual, in Neurographica, we create one system of all our defined roles by drawing and connecting them, like all the shapes, with neurolines, and by carefully rounding all of them. So this has already happened before I colored, and the colors are used according to the needs of the specific roles. Like I have this pink for my creator because it feels like adding energy to me creating. I have another very big circle which is being a channel, letting it come through me, and this I perceive as light blue, for example. And other roles are also like colored intuitively by the energies I want to add. I want to add green for being a guide. Green is connected to my heart and also to my nature, to my element of wood. And that's why I created that dark green, for example. Or purple is connected to spirituality, to universal love and wisdom. And I have a role of a wisdom sharer, which I colored in purple, for example. And also my role being a businesswoman, which I'm working on there, is purple, because it's not about me, my ego being like having a business, but it's about being that channel, allowing whatever wants to come into the world through me, and this is being the basis of my business. For me, it's also very important to see that the role of a student, that's this one with lots of sub-roles around, is very prominent and also very visible and important in that drawing, because it's also important for my business. I learn the language of the country where I live in order to be able to also offer whatever I want to offer in the Finnish language. I learn about YouTube. I learn about businesses in general. I learn about how to be a mother of a teenager. That doesn't seem to be related to a business, but for me, the role of a mother is also there, and it's much smaller than it used to be, because it's not the central role of being a businesswoman, but I need to take that in account in order to work properly on my own business, because otherwise I wouldn't be satisfied. At the end of my drawing, I write down words in 2 minutes again to check what is in my conscious now. That you can literally create new impressions, new maps of like a topic which has felt quite scary in the beginning still, and which is now feeling very wide, expanding and joyful to me. I really, really like this tool. See you soon. Thank you for watching.